Hi, welcome to the wedding of Olivia and Daniel, full of wedding ideas. The couple chose a sage green colour scheme with rustic details. The ceremony room was dressed beautifully with wisteria trees and a hoop backdrop. Petals lined the aisle and the aisle chairs were draped in sage green and tied with ribbon and foliage. The couple had bubbles instead of confetti for their exit. This look was mirrored elegantly in the reception room. Guests found their seats by looking at the rustic seating plan made out of wooden crates, decorated with greenery, flowers and vintage bottles to match the theme. The tables were dressed with the same chair drapes and matching table runners, beneath large silver centrepieces holding extravagant floral displays. Each guest had a charger plate, emerald green napkin, place name and a brownie as a favour. Their wedding cake was fun and unique. Colin and Connie the Caterpillar with matching mini rolls for their guests to enjoy. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Remember Paris in the pouring rain. We kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song. Two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Oh, from that first slow dance to this precious chance, all the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. My heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes us feeling true. Round and round as the music plays. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go hey,
watching. If you're planning your big day, don't forget to take a look at our online wedding shop all about weddings. It's filled with beautiful, budget-friendly finds to help you plan the wedding of your dreams without breaking the bank. We've handpicked everything from bridesmaids' gifts to favours, confetti and centrepieces, and loads more, all at a price you'll love. Affordable, stylish and stress-free, let's make your day unforgettable together. Head over to our shop, the link is in the description, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us to reach more couples planning their big day.